The 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, compass, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm, tinted glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.